napagkasundan po ng board na yung pong 7 konsihal na inihalal dito sa bayan ng Kalaka ay ipoproclaim po ngayong oras. With the municipal canvassers being the chairman, Agapita C. Bugawisan, Mrs. Milagros Tenorio, my vice chairman, and Dr. Hermogenes Pamaliban, my secretary, with the authority given by the commission, we hereby proclaim the winning candidates for the Municipal Councilor of Kalaka, Batangas. Since we do not have 100% election return, yet they will be called not according to law. Let me announce the name in alphabetical order. Okay po? Casanova Brigido.
Tagal-tagal na, tagal-tagal eh. Kaya yan, okay yan. Brigido! Gitay, labas ang gitay. Okay. Are you sure? Okay, thank you.